Anna Phillips. We're on my farm here, Great Molliston, just outside of Narberth in Pembrokeshire. We're a family farm with my mum, my dad, myself and my brother Alice. We currently milk just under 200 Holstein Friesian cows, and we sell our milk to First Milk, and it goes to the Haverfordwest Creamery where they produce cheese for Tesco. I decided to go and study textile design at college in Somerset College of Arts. I returned home 7 years ago after college and got stuck in helping at home. Mainly my key roles have involved rearing the calves and helping out with any other odd job needed around the farm. I've known about Farming Connect for quite a few years, having attended a few events with my dad, which have been hugely beneficial. On learning about the training courses that they can provide, it sparked my interest, as with no formal education in agriculture myself, I thought these training courses would help improve my skills. Continual professional development, I think, is so important in agriculture. There's always something to learn. My dad always says the day you stop learning is the day you stop farming. Attending CPD courses allows you to meet up with others who are like-minded and allows you to share information and the knowledge that you have. A personal development plan is a great tool to be able to focus which areas you need to improve your skills on. As part of the Tesco Cheese Group, we are required to provide information regarding herd health. Part of this was mobility scoring, which was another course on offer with Farming Connect support. This gave me the skills to carry out the task on farm every quarter without the need to employ anybody else. I would highly recommend Farming Connect to other young farmers. It's a great way to continue learning as you go along in the job. There's countless ways to access the facilities that Farming Connect have, be it online, in person or in groups. My achievements were uploaded to the store for Skilli. This was a fantastic way to keep record of everything, all the achievements I have done through Farming Connect. It has boosted my confidence in working alongside my dad on the farm here. Also, attending Farming Connect events has also given me more knowledge and skills to be able to use at home. It's great that Farming Connect covers the whole of Wales. Our local development officer, Susie Morgan, has supported us in finding opportunities for us to learn new skills and access events through Farming Connect.
So I'm Susie Morgan and I'm the Development Officer for Farming Connect in South Pembrokeshire. A huge diverse of farming enterprises in that area with arable, beef, sheep and a lot of diversification in tourism. So we are here to help you and your business and to drive it forward. The programme has a huge variety of things on offer. Consultant-led training, skills, mentoring, e-learning, there's a variety. If you'd like to get in touch and find out more of what we've got to offer, then the Farming Connect website has all the information at hand, has the details of the local development officer for your area, and also the service centre will be able to help you.